Jakarta, Indonesia, December the 3rd, Ani, at least 20 people lost their lives and 5 people were said to be missing after a tropical storm hit Indonesia on Sunday. A search and rescue operation is underway, the Anadolu agency quoted the Indonesian National Board for Disaster Management, BNPB, as saying. The storm, named Dahlia, caused flooding and a landslide in eastern Java, the BNPB added. The officials had warned the residents of possible flooding and landslides even as around 2,000 houses were affected due to the storm in the area. Earlier on Thursday, reportedly another storm named Sempaka had caused the death of 27 people in central Java. Ani, this story has not been edited. It has been published as provided by Ani. For world news, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and for news updates download our news app.